Hello everyone, welcome to the form filling video for Jai Hind College. The entrance exam is called JHC-CEE, Jai Hind College Common Entrance Test. The registrations have already started from 1st May 2024 and that's the official link to start the registration process. Now before we see the step-by-step form filling video, let us see which are the various programs that you can apply to Jai Hind College with this particular entrance test and what is the paper pattern of the entrance test. Now, as per the official notification on the Jai Hind College website, these are the programs that you can apply with the Jai Hind entrance test. However, for BMS and BBA, there's a different entrance exam called MHCET. Now, only for these programs, the college will accept the admission via the Jai Hind College Common Entrance Test. Now, the paper pattern of the test, there are 25 questions each on 4 sections, 25 on English, 25 on logical reasoning and data interpretation, 25 questions on maths and 25 questions on current affairs. Overall, we are supposed to solve 100 questions. Each question carries 1 mark each and the time limit is just 90 minutes. There is no negative marking. It's an online test. The medium of language is English. And very important, before the final entrance exam, which is on 10th of June, the college is going to officially upload 2 mock test paper on 6th and 7th of June from 10 a.m. to 5 a.m. And all the details with regards to the mock test will be sent on the student's email ID and everybody is expected to take the test. Finally, the merit list is basically declared based on equal weightage on the entrance test and equal weightage on the board marks. So there's a 50% weightage for the entrance test and 50% weightage for the board marks. So let's say, for example, a student gets a 92% in the entrance test and a 90% in boards. So they will take the average of 92 and 90, which is nothing but 91%. Now, let us see the step-by-step form filling process. This is the official link to start the registration process. As soon as you click on this particular link, you will see this page opening up. The first step is sign me up. Basic details you have to fill: your full name, your email, then we have mobile number, password of your choice, then mention the captcha, I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on register. The moment we click on register, you will see this tab opening up which talks about the common application instructions. Below that, there are 4 tabs you will see. We have to apply on the first tab, which is JHC-CEE. Let us see which are the important instructions. Now, first thing, the last date to apply for the FY BA, BSc regular and FY BCom degree programs, in-house students, the last date to apply is June 5 and for outsiders, it is 15 June. For these 3 programs, no entrance test is required. And the last date to fill the Jai Hind College Common Entrance Test is 31st May 2024. Now, we have to keep all the documents ready. We have to upload the Aadhaar card and the photograph, which I will cover in the coming slides. Then please read all the admission notice displayed on the college website to check the eligibility criteria. Now, as soon as you click on that register form, you will see this JHC-CEE online application form. Click on apply now. The moment you hit the apply now button, you will see 2 steps. It's a 2-step process. First is the basic details and the second one is program preference document upload. The first thing that we have to fill is basic details, and here are the set of instructions. All the fields with asterisk are mandatory. Very important. You shall get an application number after successfully paying the entrance exam fees. Quote this number on any communication with us. Admission for BMS and BBA, as mentioned earlier, will be based on the Maharashtra CET entrance test. Now, this is very important point. In case if there is any vacant seat for admissions to BMS and BBA, programs, students who would have appeared for JHC CEE will be considered based on the merit. If there are any seats left, then the students might get admission for BMS and BBA if the student has taken the JHC CEE entrance test. And the last date to fill the form is 31st May 2024. Now, under the basic details, you have to mention the title, your first name and the last name, followed by the gender, date of birth and the primary mobile number. After that, you have to mention the alternate mobile number. You can mention your parent's number, your correct email address, then your class 12th seat number, that's your roll number, and you have to mention your Aadhaar card number. Now, after this, they will ask you to select the program preference. Now, based on your preference, which program you want to apply, there are three preferences, preference 1, 2 and 3. Please mention the preferences based on your preferred course. If you want to apply for, let's say, a BAF first, then BFM, then BBI, accordingly take a call. Then, this is just an indicator of the candidate's preference. However, the separate application form for the respective program needs to be filled after the entrance examination. The relevant notification for the same will be posted on. So, we have to wait for the other official notification. Then, we have to upload the Aadhaar card. Now, for uploading the Aadhaar card, it is very important that the file size should not exceed 250 KB. This is for the photograph. File should be in JPEG format. Photo should have white or light colored plain background. Now, this is the instructions for the photograph. Then it will ask you to select your photo and upload the photograph. Now, we have to upload the Aadhaar card, which should not be more than 500 KB, and you have to upload the recent size photograph as per the instructions mentioned. So, please make sure you keep your Aadhaar card and photograph ready before you start filling up the form. Then, last point is the undertaking. Just read all the 4 points carefully, tick on the checkbox and it will ask you to submit. Then the last form step is basically the payment. You can make the payment either with a debit card, credit card, net banking or UPI. The total amount to be paid is 1200 rupees. Click on whichever medium you want to make the payment and hit the pay now button. The moment you hit the pay now button, the form is duly filled and you will be notified on the registered email ID and the mobile number. Wishing you guys all the best. Thank you.